Hello everyone, hope you all understood till now. So far we have discussed trigonometric ratios, their values of some specific angles and problems based on them. Now we have move on next topic. Now let us move on next topic, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. What is a complementary angle? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equal to 90 degrees. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equal to 90 degrees. For example, complementary of 30 degrees. Complementary of 30 degrees equal to 60 degrees. Complementary of 40 degrees equal to 50 degrees. These two angles, that is 30 degrees, 60 degrees, are complementary to each other. 40, 50, these angles are complementary to each other. Complementary angle means two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equal to 90 degrees. Now let us consider right angle triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. We know that the sum of the three angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. The sum of three angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, angle B equal to 90 degrees. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. As angle B equal to 90 degrees, angle B equal to 90 degrees, angle A plus angle C equal to 180 minus 90. Angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. If angle A equal to 30 degrees, then angle C equal to 90 minus 30, that equal to 60 degrees. If angle A equal to 40 degrees, then angle C equal to 90 minus 40, that equal to 50 degrees. Here angle A and angle C are complementary to each other. Angle A and angle C are complementary to each other. Let angle A equal to theta, then if angle A equal to theta, then angle C equal to 90 minus theta. Okay, angle C equal to 90 minus theta. For angle A, for angle A For angle A, opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side equal to AB. For angle A, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta equal to opposite side, opposite to A by, opposite to A and BC by AC. Next, cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent to theta AB, hypotenuse AC, AB by AC. Okay. Next, tan theta ratio, tan theta equal to opposite side BC by adjacent to theta AB. Okay. Next, cosecant theta equal to, we know that cosecant theta equal to reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta, here sin theta equal to BC by AC, then reciprocal of sin theta equal to AC by BC. Next, secant theta equal to reciprocal of cos theta. Reciprocal of cos theta value is AB by AC, then reciprocal of cos theta equal to AC by AB. Next, cot theta equal to reciprocal of tan theta, AB by BC. Okay. For angle C, angle C equal to 90 minus theta. Here 90 minus theta, angle 90 minus theta, opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. We can write sin 90 minus theta equal to opposite to C AB by AC, AB by AC. Next, cos 90 minus theta, adjacent to C BC by AC, Next, tan 90 minus theta equal to opposite to C is AB by adjacent to C BC. Next, cosecant 90 minus theta equal to, we know that cosecant 90 minus theta equal to reciprocal of 90 minus theta, that equal to AC by AB. Next, secant 90 minus theta equal to reciprocal of cos 90 minus theta, that equal to AC by BC. Next, cot 90 minus theta equal to reciprocal of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to AB by BC, its reciprocal is BC by AB. For angle A, for angle C. Comparing these two ratios, we observe that the angle, the ratio of sin theta and cos 90 minus theta are equal. Similarly, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Next, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan ratio, cot ratio equal. Next, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta equal. Next, cosecant theta equal to secant 90 minus theta की equal, secant theta equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Okay, sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta, cosec theta equal to secant 90 minus theta, and last secant theta equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Hence sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Next, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. Next, last one, cosecant theta equal to secant 90 minus theta. Next, secant theta equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. These ratios are very important in trigonometry. Sin, cos, okay na, don't take it hard. These ratios are very easy to remember. Sin, these ratios are very easy to remember. Sin equal to cos, cos equal to sin, tan equal to cot, cot equal to tan, cosec equal to sec, sec equal to cosec, sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta, sin cos, tan cot, cosec sec. Okay, these ratios are called trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Sin cos, tan cot, cosec sec, sin cos, tan cot, cosec sec. Sin A equal to cos B. Sin A equal to cos B. We know that sin theta equal to, we know that sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta. So sin A equal to, we can write, sin A equal to, we can write cos 90 minus A. Okay, now sin A equal to cos 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A equal to cos B. Hence 90 minus A equal to B, then A plus B equal to 90 degrees. If cos A, sin A equal to cos B, then A plus B equal to 90 degrees. If sin A equal to cos B, such that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, tan A equal to cot B, such that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Okay, next, cosecant A equal to secant B, such that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Okay, sin A equal to cos B, then A plus B equal to 90 degrees, tan, cot, cosec, sec. Okay. Let us see some problems based on these ratios. First one, evaluate secant 45 degrees by secant 45 degrees by cosecant 30 degrees, and second one is secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. Okay, listen, comparing with these two sums, in first sum we know that the values of secant 45 and cosecant 30. We know that the values of secant 45 from the table, secant 45 equal to root 2, cosecant 30 equal to 30 degrees equal to 2. Okay. Secant 45 value is root 2, now secant 45 degrees solution, secant 45 degrees by cosecant 30 degrees equal to, we know that the values of given ratios, secant 45 is root 2 by cosecant 30 degrees equal to 2, then the answer is 1 by root 2. But in second case, we don't know the values of secant 35 degrees and cosecant 55 degrees. Secant 35 degrees and cosecant 55 degrees. We use property of complement. Then we use property of complementary angles. We know that secant theta equal to, secant theta equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta. Secant theta equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. So, secant 35 degrees equal to cosecant 90 degrees 90 minus 35. Okay na? That equal to cosecant 55 degrees. Secant 35 degrees equal to cosecant 55 degrees. Now, secant 35 degrees equal to secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees equal to secant 35 degrees equal to cosecant 55 degrees. We can write secant 35 degrees equal to, we can write cosecant 55 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. That equal to cosecant 55, the same terms cancel, that equal to 1. Okay. Next, let us take another model. Only these sums are based on complementary angles. If cos 7a equal to sin a minus 6, where angle A is an acute angle, find angle A. Find angle A. Okay. Solution. Given that cos 7a equal to sin a minus 6. Given that cos 7a equal to sin a minus 6. Okay. We know that cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. As per convenience, we can change sin or cos, sin ratio or cos ratio. We know that cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. So, cos 7a, as per convenience, we can change sin or cos. Cos 7a equal to sin cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Then cos 7a equal to sin 90 minus 7a. Now cos 7a equal to sin 90 minus 7a, sin 90 minus 7a equal to sin a minus 6. If 90 minus 7a and a minus 6 are acute angles, hence 90 minus 7a equal to a minus 6. Then 8a equal to 96, a equal to 96 by 8, a equal to 12. Okay. Next. Next, let us take another problem. Show that tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees equal to 1. Show that tan 45, tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 degrees equal to 1. This sum is based on complementary angles given. Let us take LHS. Tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees equal to, rearranging tan 48 degrees, tan 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Here 48 and 42 are complementary to each other, 16 and 74 are complementary to each other. Tan 48 degrees into tan 42 equal to, we know that tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Then tan 42 degrees equal to cot 90 minus 42, cot 90 minus 42 into tan 16 degrees, tan 74 degrees we can write cot 90 minus 74, cot 90 minus 74. Tan 48 into cot 90 minus 42 equal to cot 48 degrees, 90 minus 42 value 48. into tan 16 degrees into cot 90 minus 74. 90 minus 74 equal to 16. That equal to cot 90 minus 74 equal to cot 16 degrees. Next, tan 48 degrees. We know that cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot 48 degrees equal to 1 by tan 48. And cot theta equal to reciprocal of tan theta. Cot 48 degrees equal to 1 by tan 48. Tan 16 degrees into cot 16 degrees equal to, we can write 1 by tan 16 degrees. Tan 48, that value is 1. Tan 16 cancel. 1 into 1, that equal to 1. 1 1 jar 1, that equal to 1. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Now, let us take another problem. Important problem in public point of view. If A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC, show that sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. If A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, show that sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Okay, solution. Given that A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC. We know that in the triangle, the sum of three angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. The sum of three angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus B plus C. A, B, C are interior angles. A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Dividing both sides, each term, dividing both sides by 2, then A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 180 by 2. Dividing both sides, given equation by 2, A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 180 by 2. A by 2 plus B plus C by 2, as per the problem, B plus C by 2. A by 2 plus B plus C by 2 equal to 180 by 2, 90. Then B plus C by 2 equal to 90 minus A by 2. Taking both sides sin ratio, now sin B plus C by 2 equal to sin 90 minus A by 2. Sin 90 minus A by 2. sin b plus c by 2 equal to, we know that sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos a by 2. Okay, hence proved. Okay, once revise today topic, let us continue this session